Hello, I'm Elaine Swann, lifestyle and etiquette expert and founder of the Swann School of Protocol, and I have something very exciting to share with you. For 15 years now, I have been the leading lifestyle and etiquette expert in the country. I've appeared on TV shows such as Dr. Oz, CNN, and The Today Show. I share my advice on radio shows, podcasts, and magazines, and I'm interviewed by major media outlets 3 to 5 times a week. And I've done all of this without a publicist. So many of you have asked me how I've done this, and I'm finally giving it to you, my secret formula on how to get on TV. No matter what industry you're in, if you're a doctor, a lawyer, an author, a public speaker, a fitness expert, a blogger, or a small business owner, getting on TV is the foolproof way to get from where you are to where you want to be. Whether you have a multi-million-dollar company or a brand new startup, getting in the media is the fastest and most effective way to bring awareness to your brand and your business. It's how I went from being an independent speaker to then launching my Swann School business and then scaling that business to over 20 independently owned and operated Swann Schools throughout the United States. And we are growing. I have been able to debunk the myth that you have to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on a publicist in order to be seen in the media. Here's the thing that's important for you to understand. When news happens, producers immediately start looking for experts. Well, I'm going to show you how you can get your name on that producer list. So join me in this new course called Get on TV and learn how you can become a trusted expert in your field and begin your rise to fame. I'm so excited to share this exclusive journey with you, so sign up today at elaineswann.com, and before you know it, producers will be calling you.